Hi, I'm here to give a review for Pop On Veneers. I've had my veneers now for about a week and a half, and I eat with them, drink hot, cold beverages, no issues. When I first put them in, there was a bit of a lisp, but it went away. I chose the color Mature Tan, which is still very white, but they are very close to my own natural color of teeth. There you go. The service was great. Received the impression kit, made the impressions, sent them out. 2 weeks, less a day, my veneers came, and I've had them now for a week and a half. As I said, I would highly recommend this product. They're very easy to put in and take out. And so this is what a Mature Tan smile looks like. They're pretty cool, and I do like them. And excellent customer service. So thank you, Pop On Veneers.